Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Black Shark Lucifier T2 earbuds with iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open this charging case, wait until indicators turns off, right now, and then remove left and the right earbud. Take a look for these indicators. As you can see right now, it's blinking, so it means that they are in the pairing mode, and we can simply go to the settings on our iPhone, then go to the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, take a look for other devices list and select Black Shark Lucifier T2 from the list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected and they are also synchronized when they blink together right. That's all for this video, hope you like it.